Alrighty my friends, let's build a Mod Globe Post Pendant. You'll need the following products: a tubing hardware kit consisting of all threads, nuts, washers, and a coupler, a threaded canopy conversion kit, a center punch canopy, 1/8 IPS tubing, length of your choice, basic black socket, rounded metal socket cover, positive and negative 18 gauge conductor wire, a necklace cap, a necklace fitter, and of course you'll need the Mod Globe glass shade as well. Tools you're going to need are a standard wire stripper, adjustable wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and electrical tape. Got it? Cool, let's get started. The first step is to attach your threaded canopy conversion kit to the center punch canopy. Slide the threads through the canopy center hole and tighten down the washer and nut on the back side. Using your standard wire stripper, strip about 1/4 inch of the conductor wire, exposing the stranded wire underneath. We do recommend tinning the ends for a stronger contact point. Now we're going to wire the socket using the conductor wire. Loosen the terminal screws on the socket terminal and insert the black positive wire into the gold terminal and the white negative wire into the silver terminal. Tighten down the screws. Then loosen the small set screw on the socket cap and thread the 1/2 inch all thread into the top of the socket cap and tighten back the small set screw. Feed the wires and terminal through the bottom of the cap so the terminal sits flush with the cap and the conductor wires stick out of the top of the socket cap. Then thread on the socket skirt until you hear a clicking noise. The socket is now officially locked. Feed the socket cover over the conductor wires and onto the socket. Do the same thing with the all-thread reducer and tighten it down with the wrench. Now put on the necklace fitter the same way and tighten it down using the washer and the nut from the tubing hardware kit. Thread the tubing into the all-thread reducer and drop the necklace cap over the top. Thread the finishing coupler onto the all-thread reducer. Feed the conductor wires through the center of the canopy and thread the tubing into the canopy conversion kit. Trim the wires if needed, then strip the ends. Wow, that's really nice work. Now let's install this beauty into the ceiling. First things first, safety first. Turn off your light switch and breaker. In your J-box, you will have a black positive, white negative, and green or sometimes bare copper ground wire. Attach the provided rotating canopy mount to the junction box with the provided screws. Now take your pliers and bend the ground wire into a hook. Wrap it around the ground screw and tighten it down. Connect the corresponding colors by twisting the exposed stranded wires together and lock it in with the provided wire nuts. We recommend taping the nuts down with electrical tape to avoid the wires slipping out. Push the wires back up into the J-box and attach the canopy using the side holes of the canopy mount and the canopy with canopy screws. To install the light bulb and glass globe, twist the light bulb into the socket and loosen the finishing coupler on the top. Slide that coupler and the cap up, then gently apply the glass by feeding the opening onto the fitter where it will rest supported by the fitter. Bring the cap and coupler back down and thread the coupler back on. And flip back on the breaker and hit the switch when you're ready to see your finished product. Reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns about this DIY assembly. Thanks for watching.